Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I solve the simple math problems. This question is 15 division 5 into 1 plus 2 is equal to find out this value. 15 divisions 5, 15 divisions 5 into 1 plus 2 is gives us 3 is equal to and 15 divisions 5, 15 divisions 5, this 5 multiplied to 3 is equal to 15. This 15 and this 15 division 15 is equal to 1. This answer is not correct, this answer is wrong. Right, again this questions 15's division 5 into 1 plus 2. According to PEMDAS rules, parenthesis, exponent, multiplication, division, and finally addition and subtraction. I used this left to right. Parenthesis and exponent is not included in this question. Multiplications and divisions include, and addition and subtraction. First of all is you solve this parenthesis. 15 divisions 5 parenthesis is 1 plus 2 is equal to gives us 3. 15 divisions 5, 15 divisions 5 times 3. 15 over 5 gives us 3 times 3 is equal to 3 multiplied to 3 is gives us 9. This answer is correct. Right answer is 9. Solve these questions.